coppicing is to take a stall of chestnut, well this is chestnuts coppicing, we're going to take these stalls of chestnut down, or some of them down, for the next, so it regenerates for the next generation of coppicing. That's what I call coppicing, so it grows up again, and another 12 to 15 years time they'll cut it down again. Once it's cut off, you can use it for fencing. Most of it goes for fencing. It has to be cut out into lengths, whether you're using it for stakes. It has to be, the bark has to be stripped off it, and if you're using stakes it has to be sharpened up and then it's used for fencing stakes. It can be treated, but normally it's not treated because it's got its own treatment in it. It can normally last up to 15 years in the ground if it's a fencing stake, or longer if it's been treated. Well, what I'm about to do, I'm going to clear this stub out. I'm going to take all the small stuff out from it, and take all the obstructions out of it. So it just leaves me the bare stalls of the stub, which I can then we'll cut down as suitable as a chestnut forester would do. There it is. It's taking all the branches off the stalls, and taking the top off, and just leaving a bare pole. Making sure we've got a nice clean stub, which is not too high. Should be about 1 to 2 inches above the last cut, which is that's the last cut there. And we encourage the stalls, the next stalls of chestnut to grow out from the sides and down as low as they can to get a nice low stub. Anybody can do this chestnut coppicing, as long as they're trained and been shown how to do it. But you have to be sort of like properly trained, especially in the chainsaw, which is the main part of coppicing. If you're using a chainsaw, you need all your safety equipment, which is your gloves. You need a tight garment which is close round to you, stop you getting hooked up, and safety trousers and safety boots, chainsaw boots, with still toe caps. And also, you're going to need a helmet with some ear defenders and a visor to stop the twigs poking you in the eye.